So I've got this Avanti AV-100 paint sprayer, and it was working fantastic for what I was using it for. But after about 4 projects and 8 gallons of paint, it quit spraying well. Something was obviously clogged up on it, and I was in the middle of a project yesterday and couldn't complete it because I couldn't figure out what needed cleaned, why it wasn't working. What would happen is obviously nothing would come out when you'd squeeze the trigger, but I had figured out when I covered the end of this and built up a ton of pressure, it would spray for about 10 seconds and then slowly get worse and worse, and then I'd have to cover this up. Well, I tried to finish my project that way, but I still had too much to do. But I figured out where the orifice was that needed cleaned. Unfortunately, the directions on this tell you to clean a limited number of parts that aren't going to do the job if you have your gun for very long. So I'm going to show you what it takes. And because I stopped in the middle of a project and just set this thing down, obviously stuff is really gummed up here, and it really needs a hard cleaning now. I was spraying oil-based paint, so I think that might complicate these issues a little more. These are the parts that it tells you to clean, and because I set this down this wet and let things get too dry and didn't get it clean, stuff's not coming apart very well. Those are all the parts it tells you to clean on a normal basis. The other thing you should clean on a normal basis after every project is you should take this cap off the end with those 4 Phillips screws and clean that filter out, because you don't want that paint that gets sucked into the intake drying on that filter and causing a problem for next time. So always clean that too. What I'm going to show you may not need to always be cleaned. One other thing, actually, before I get to that, is you want to clean down in there. This brush that they give you will get down in there. I don't know if that tip is damaging stuff in there, but that's got to be cleaned. But we're going to get to what the cause of the problem was. Clean this draw straw out too when you on the normal cleaning. Just I don't know that the manual says that either, but what you got to do is you got to take this paper gasket off the bottom here. It's that cup seals around the edge, so it's probably better to pry from one of these little holes in the middle to get this off of here. And mine was really gummed up inside. Probably worse than normal because I overfilled that cup a few times. But this is the front of the gun on this side. And there's a slot down in this. There's a slot down here that looks like an orifice, but that doesn't pass through. But in the front, there's a slot, and that is an orifice that comes through right here. And once I cleaned that out, it started spraying again. There's no check valve on this unit. When you go to the troubleshooting, it says all the problems I was having said, oh, clean the check valve. Well, there is no check valve on this thing. But your problem is likely that orifice that's right in there, and get that booger cleaned out and you should be good to go.